Hey guys, it's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with another boring video on Oxt Orchid Protocol. There hasn't really been much that has happened. We're sitting at all-time lows. We are only 1% up. It was recorded and registered 9 days ago. So again, the good news is that the full circulation supply has been distributed, so we don't have to worry about any more circulation supply being released. And please note that when this coin originally launched, it launched on Coinbase first. And as you can see, had a very low supply. So it took about 4 years for them to release the entire the total supply on us. Also remember that Orchid is deflationary and they do token burns. It hasn't happened yet. But again, when it happens, then that'll be pretty good because if we're sitting at all-time lows and they're doing a token burn, that's going to increase the price of our tokens or the token holders. Anyway, we're sitting at 70,000 people on the watch list. No new news. I went on their on their Twitter, and the last news that they came out with was the listing on ChangeX app on April 24th, and the news on May 10th that Orchid now supports Wallet Connect 2.0. You can fund Orchid account using Wallet Connect with Polygon, Genesis, Optimism, Avalanche, Cello, Binance, Phantom, and Ethereum, of course. Anyway, so unfortunately, I didn't really have any sort of price correlation pump increase with relative to the price, but that's okay because we don't want artificial pumps anyway. Like for people that are in Orchid long term know that we don't want temporary pumps only to fall back down and record all-time lows, which has happened with Orchid quite a lot. Anyway, don't be discouraged because again, it's not like Orchid's the only one that's down. It's all of the crypto market. All the crypto market is down. And one thing that has working against us is the fact that Orchid is releasing tokens into the circulation supply. So if you think about it, we're not only in a bear market, Orchid is releasing more tokens into the circulation supply, and we're going down. We're going down in price. That's pretty bad, but again, it's not uncommon if you think about it. We're in a bear market. They're releasing coins, so we're just going to be dropping more than any other coin because of the circulation being increased. Anyway, like I said before, they can't really release any more tokens, so that doesn't matter. I did go on their website. Again, it's pretty cool. Go check it out. They have a lot of information on here. Just go check it out. Again, it's a $35 billion VPN market. Has a 35 billion market share. So Orchid, I'm assuming, is trying to get partnered with other VPN companies that they can run simultaneously with their, application, which is pretty it's pretty smart. Let me see. They are partnered with. Let me see. Oops. They are partnered with a couple of VPN companies, not the big ones, but I'm just waiting for the big partnership announcements because that'll obviously increase the price. As you can see, this is where they released the tokens, and then we fell back down exactly to where we were. So I guess that means that we're about to reverse. I mean, I don't know. I really don't know how much lower we can go. I'm assuming 4 cents because like they raised. This is what I never understood. They raised like $40 million. So I'm assuming the market cap can't go lower than the amount of money that they raised, right? Unless they're not doing so good. So I don't really know how that works. It's just common sense. Like you really don't want to see this under $40 million because then you'll be like, okay, well they're clearly losing money or they're clearly not managing their money well or whatever they're doing, unless they're of course using it to develop, which it does look like they are based on their Twitter and their updates. So I don't know. I'm very conflicted with this because again, I don't like the fact that there's so much selling pressure. I don't like the fact that they're releasing supply, and it's obviously making the price go down. Me as an investor, especially when you're investing at average of 20 cents, you're like, okay, well, I don't think it's going to go lower than 20 cents. The only way that it's going to go lower is if the big whales and the people who have the majority of coins are doing something that, like, obviously is going to make the price go down, like sell and dump it on us, like the retail investors. I don't like that, but it's okay because honestly, even in this bear market, we're still sitting at a $63 million market cap coin. I think that we're doing pretty good compared to some other projects. We still haven't gotten our release. We still haven't gotten our relief rally, which we're in this huge bear structure right now. This what do you call it? This bear flag. But it just means that we're gonna, eventually we're gonna reverse and we're gonna jump back up. There's really no technicals I can do actually, like from the high to the low. Let's just do it here. Yeah, there's like, not even that. Yeah, we're like just sitting at the all-time lows. So we have to get over 764. Yeah, I'm not even gonna count this because that's all like nullified, whatever, because we broke the all-time lows, which sucks. Anyway, don't be discouraged because look, it's gonna take like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and then that's just how it works in crypto. So don't go buying your way on the up. Definitely, you want to take advantage of these all-time lows because that's obviously more of a gain. Anyway, so we need to get over 674, I guess, and stay above it to have any sort of uptrend. On the downside, we're probably going to hit 5 cents. I think we are. Yeah, this is what a crappy graph. Let me see. Where is it? I always lose it. Okay, whatever. I can't find it. Let me check some indicators. The stock RSI. Yeah, this is pretty freaking bad. It just means that it's going to come back down and it's going to take the price. Let's see if I think we're extremely oversold on the daily, which literally makes no sense. On the RSI, yeah, like I guess we were. See, this isn't good when the stock RSI is like extremely oversold, and it bounces and the price is still going down. That is like the most bearish thing ever. Holy crap. Okay, that sucks, but it's okay because when it reverses, it's going to be fine. Honestly, this is going to suck if this gets delisted from Coinbase or if it starts getting delisted. That means that literally it took 4 years. It was a 4-year rug project. That's what that means. But again, I don't think that's the case. Price says otherwise, but I still believe in this coin. I still think that it's going to go over $1. And that's all it really needs to do. It just goes over $1, and I think that that's very possible. I think that is going to happen, and if it doesn't, then oh well. Then I have lost the battle with OXT for the last 4 years of my life, which would suck, but it's okay because there's plenty of other projects out there. There's plenty of more ways to make money, and you just got to be optimistic. Anyway, please like, subscribe, comment. Again, this is pretty boring. We're sitting at all-time lows. Price to beat is 764. Don't be surprised if we get some sort of small little relief rally back to 10, 11, 12 cents before we fall back down and retest the all-time lows, which is a pretty common theme with OXT. On the upside, if we stay above 764, then we can start maintaining an uptrend or start creating an uptrend structure, which will signify the reversal of OXT from bearish to bullish momentum. Anyway, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll make another video when this coin decides to do something.